You're looking to maximize your FavePay benefits and wondering which cards will get the job done. Let's break down the card acceptance for FavePay. The good news is that Fave is very flexible when it comes to standard card payments. You can use all major credit and debit cards, including MasterCard and Visa. This covers the vast majority of personal bank cards out there, making it simple to link your preferred method of payment for deals and FavePay transactions. Fave also accepts prepaid cards, which offers an extra layer of flexibility, especially if you prefer not to link your main bank accounts or want to manage a specific budget for your spending. However, you should note that specific payment methods and card acceptance can sometimes vary by region and over time, so always check the latest details directly on the Fave app under your payment settings. Adding a card is straightforward. Head to the Me tab, go to My Payment Methods, and tap Add a New Card. You can even save multiple cards and select a primary one. So, whether you're hunting for a deal or scanning to pay at a merchant, your existing Visa or MasterCard credit or debit card is your go-to for seamless transactions and earning that sweet cashback on FavePay. Keep those cards linked and keep saving.